with me?
Scream School. Just videoing you. Oh, and it's Theo. Hi, Theo. We're thinking he's a silver martin. No. Don't eat my tablet. Hey. Okay. Theo! That was naughty. Don't bite Creamsicle. You're cute, big bunny. Sorry. Oops. Honey. Japan's electric system is 100 volts as opposed to our 110 to 125 volt system. However, that's not that big of a difference, so it usually doesn't matter. Now, I can't remember if it's East or West Japan that has one 120. Oh, sorry, not one. That has 50 hertz, but one of the sides says 50 hertz and the other has 60. At least that's what I've read. It usually doesn't matter. However, timekeeping devices that plug into the wall will be inaccurate. Like clocks and stuff. Bunny. Japan also uses the same plugs as us. The North American and Japanese plugs. As far as I know, they're only in the... As far as I know, they aren't in Central America. They are in the US, Canada, and Mexico, and Japan. So yeah, North America and Japan. Yeah. Do you know what the difference between Middle America and Central America is? One of them includes Mexico. Let's see if I can find. This one. See how this one flares out at the end? Where's that adapter? Whereas there it is. Whereas this one doesn't, but one of its blades is wider. Or one of its prongs is wider. Yeah. This one is not the most common method of polarization because, well, it requires more material. And then, yeah, these 3-prong plugs. See how both these prongs are the same size? This is a replacement plug. We actually had a cord that was grounded, an extension cord that was grounded and had a polarized plug. And see how this one, both prongs are the same width. Nowadays it's mainly older plugs and adapter plugs, transformer plugs that are not polarized, as well as plugs that plug into a as well as some removable plugs, as well as plugs on some removable cords. In fact, most of the removable cords aren't polarized. There is one end that's squared off on the polarized ones. Like, for example, the CD player. Great. There is a light switch over here, but it is not wired up properly. Okay, which way does it go in? That way. Wired up. It's not wired up properly. When you turn it off from here, you can't turn it on there, and vice versa. Actually, the problem is that they're not three-way switches. Now that we know how to install three-way switches, you have to find the hot wire. It's okay. I think we can do it ourselves.
Okay, so nobody. Who is out and why?
Principal.
Did litter boxes get emptied?
Yes.
However, we don't have a voltmeter, so we will have to do a dangerous method of finding the hot.
Like, I thought she took off because she was scared. No.
We have to stick the hot wire against the ground. Now, do not try that method, because it's dangerous.
So how have things been at home? How was work?
The neutral wire has a
Chiropractor rescheduled?
Yes. Alright. Reset the calendar.
relative
But Jared, your laundry's
voltage
ready
of
to
0
be
to the
fed.
ground. Whereas the hot wire has a relative voltage of 120. Now that's the absolute value because it's alternating current. It's strange how alternating strange how even though it is alternating current, you can still touch the neutral prong and the ground prong and not get shocked. But we also need a new outlet in the garage. There we go. In the United States, we have both. We both have the straight out plugs and the right angle plugs. Well, bye.